Hi, good day from Kilston White Ends. Today we will be looking at a landed property with a very unique termite situation. Number 1, we will be assessing the termite damage at an electrical meter reading box. Sometimes homeowners complain of short circuits without any valid reason. We do come across cases like this where electrical wiring are severely damaged. The insulation for electrical wire contains cellulose, which is what termites are after, as well as the wooden box like this. We can see termite mud tube built inside the meter reading box. Termites have strong mandibles or teeth which they use to chew through the wiring and switches. Let's move to the bedroom. This bed and bed frame has been kept idle and not moved for a while. We can notice termite mud tubes as well as active termites damaging the frame and the supporting wooden plank of this bed. The bed frame is severely damaged and needs to be discarded. But we ask, how does the termite reach the bed frame? We notice termite mud tube entry points through the cracks on the wall and on the power point. Over at the kitchen, it's common to find termites at the kitchen cabinet. As we have mentioned in the previous videos, kitchen section with built-in cabinets fitted to the wall may highly be prone to termite attacks like this. Termites are very active here, as we can see in this video. Good news is that we can tackle this termite issue. Let's move on to the storeroom. In the storeroom, there's a lot of items cluttered together, and a lot of items are items like boxes, wooden boxes, papers, newspapers, books, and so forth. This is a very big no-no to keep these items in a storeroom. We highly recommend to discard items that are always not in use, and that can be favorable to termite damages. Thank you for watching this video.